Alright guys, so after playing around with it on my hand for a little bit, this cable, which is flimsy, I don't know why I didn't solder this on in the first place, this popped off. And once this popped off, everything went haywire. So now I got to figure out how to get some more cable, and then I'm gonna solder this stuff on here, and we should be back in the game, man. Y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, I got my wire, came from Amazon, got my Amazon. Now I gotta figure out a bracket to mount to the handpiece to make the wire stay connected to it and not pop off like it just did without me soldering it. Yeah. So evidently y'all have burned this MPU9250 up, so I'm gonna have to buy another one, man. This sucks. If you guys ever play with these, make sure you are very careful with your MPU9250s. They tear up so quick, and I don't know how to fix that yet. So I'm gonna get back with y'all time some new parts come back in. So another Amazon pack just touched down. I got some new MPUs. These are MPU6050s instead of the 9250s. These are supposed to be not better than the 9250s, because the 9250s is a 9-axis and these are just a 6-axis. But these are supposed to be better because they're cheaper, and if I break them, it doesn't matter because I can just buy some more. So just like how I did the last ones, I gotta solder the little pins in place and then, wire everything back up. All right, here we go. Yep, got thrown right back into the fire, guys. As an electrical engineer, you usually don't code a lot, but our paths do cross every now and then. So you kind of have to know how to code a little bit to make something move or work. And that's me struggling right now. If anybody knows a library for these 6050s, let me know, please, in the comments, because I really want to learn how to code these. Yeah, so let's keep it going. All right, guys, so I've been stressing myself out trying to figure out how to code these MPU 6050s, and I can't find the library for them. So you know what I'm finna do? I'm about to order some more 9250s and throw these back in here, because I know those work. Yeah, they might cost a little bit more, but man, just the headache of this, yeah, I'm gonna go back to that. I'm gonna buy some 9250s. My Amazon pack for those should be here tomorrow. I'm gonna throw that in here, and then we'll keep this train rolling. All right, my 9250s finally came in, so let's get back to work. This time these was a little bit more expensive, man. Probably the tariffs. Probably the tariffs. Good old tariffs. To all my tinkerers and engineers who are learning how to solder, I hope my video is helping you guys. Always tin your solder iron tip. That'll save you so much time and so much unnecessary headache. I hope that I'm helping everybody, because I'm not the best at soldering, but I'm still learning how to get better. So yeah, that's my work, guys. It looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. Nothing's dull this time, at least. So that's better. Yes, I got it, guys. It works. I'm gonna show y'all the feedback right now. Yes. As y'all can see, I was so excited to get this thing back working. Now I got roll, pitch, and yaw is back. And y'all was actually stuck at -7.5, but now we back in business. Let's go. Here's the end product of it. Well, not really, because I'm gonna add more stuff to it, but y'all get what I'm saying. Right here, I'm doing a little research, trying to understand how I can add my gadget to make it look more like Mr. Terrific's gloves. As you can see, his gloves are really small, and mine is definitely not going to be that small. All right, y'all, that's the video. Thank you again so much for watching me. Come back for the next video where I'm gonna put the glove on here and make it look real cool. I'm gonna try to make it look real cool anyway. I gotta learn how to sew. I'm gonna chop that glove up and try to sew some more material on there to make it look more Mr. Terrific-like, you know? Thank you again for watching me, man. Y'all stay tuned for more videos. Peace and love, man. Shout out.